Let me try to record the progress. Okay. So properties of addition. Pay me attention, please, to remember this lesson. Properties of addition. Muhammad Mazen will start to help me here. Muhammad,
Finally, opened my mic.
could you please tell me the answer of 12 plus 7? 12 plus 7.
Yes.
What is the answer of 12 plus 7? This one.
19.
19, great. So the answer of 17 plus 7, 12 plus 7 is 19, as you said, Muhammad. Muhammad, this is the left side. Would you please tell me the answer of the right side? 7 plus 12. What is 7 plus 12?
7 plus 12.
Mhm.
It's the same.
The
19.
same, 19. So Muhammad, would you please tell me, is there any difference between 12 plus 7 and 7 plus 12?
Oh, there's no difference.
No difference between them. So they are the same. The left side.
No.
They
No,
are
they're
the
not
same.
the same.
Why? You said they are.
Yeah, I know they're the same, but it's not really the same. 12.
No.
12
I'm
plus
talking
7,
about the
7 plus
answer,
12.
Muhammad. Muhammad, I'm talking about the answer. Is there any
Yeah, it's
difference?
the same.
They are the same. So the left side, which is 12 plus 7, is equal to the right side, which is 7 plus 12. What should I call this property? Talal Ghamdi. What is the name of this property? Look, it's called commutative property. Say it. Say it again. Commutative property. Say it.
Commutative property.
Say it 3 times.
Okay, commutative property, commutative property, commutative property.
Thank you. Stop. Thank you. Suleiman, say the name of this property 3 times. What is the name of this property? 3 times.
Commutative.
Commutative. 3 times. Taha, 3 times.
Commutative property, commutative property, commutative property.
That's great. Saad.
Yes.
Saad, what is the name of this property? If you just change 2 numbers.
Commutative property.
Commutative property. That's right. So again, boys, look. If you add 12 to 7, the answer must be 19, as you know. If I want to change the place of 2 numbers, the 2 numbers, Suleiman, I really like your picture, but please concentrate. Concentrate, Suleiman, please. Please concentrate. This is very important lesson. 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Suleiman, concentrate. And 7 plus 12 is also 19. So they are the same. They are the same. Exactly the same. And this property is called commutative property. Okay, let's move to the next one. Talal Dawood. Talal. Talal.
Teacher,
Yeah.
I want to say something before I answer.
Yeah.
There is someone who yesterday he entered a period and he said the F word.
Really?
Yeah, his name is that.
Yes,
He said his name is that.
BTW.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. He
Yes.
said FACK.
What
Yeah, he
class?
said that.
What class?
I think into the. I forgot. I forgot what.
What class?
I don't know.
So
Look at his name.
this person, are you sure TTVBTW is this?
Yes, I am one.
Are you
No,
sure?
I am.
Sure.
All I know is his name is that.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Yeah, I am sure.
he changed his name last period to Dot.
So I'm gonna remove him from our class.
Okay.
Yes, please.
That's better.
I think he was in the.
Anyways,
Arabic.
I want to answer.
It's hacking,
He was in the
right?
Arabic.
It's hacking. Talal, do you think it's hacker?
Or teacher, or he found another person account. He
So
knows the
look,
password.
now he is no longer with us.
Yes,
I removed him.
because yesterday I accidentally put my username and password because I had it on copy. I wanted to copy something else.
Okay,
Paste something
Okay,
else.
now let's
It
not
was-
waste our time. Okay, that's okay.
South.
Talal Makki.
No, me, not Maki.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
Talal. Okay, no problem. Talal Makki, you'll answer the next one. Talal Dawood, now look at the second property. The second property. Look, first of all, we
Okay.
have here the left side, which is 5 plus 8 plus 14. Look, 8 and 14, they are in one bracket. You can see.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the answer? First of all, tell me what is 8 plus 14?
First,
8 plus 14. What is 8 plus 14?
y plus 2 and 5 plus 22
Yeah,
equals 8.
equals 27. Okay. And look at the right side now. We have 5 plus 8 plus 14. What is the answer of this side?
27.
The same, 27. So what should I call this property?
Accusation property.
No, associative property. Say it.
Associative property.
Listen to me again and then repeat. Associative property.
Associative property.
Say it 2 times, please.
Associative property.
That's great.
Associated property.
Property, thank you. Firas, what is the name of this property? Associative property.
Associative property.
Sattam, what is the name of this property? Turkey, what is the name of this property? Associative property. Associative property. Say it. Associative property. Say associative property.
Associative
Property.
property.
Thank you. Rosen, what is the name of this property again?
Associative property.
Associative property. Okay. Saad,
Yes.
the last property of addition. What is 13 plus 0?
13.
13. What is 14 plus 0?
14.
What is 100 plus 0?
100.
What is 1 million plus 0?
1 million.
So, what do you understand from my questions?
That if you put 0,
Yeah,
it will still come the same.
that's right. If you add 0 to any number, to any natural number, the answer stay the same. No change. 13 plus 0 is 13. 10 plus 0 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. Even 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So the property of this one, identity property. Again, identity property. See,
Identity property.
identity property of addition. Identity means 0. Identity property of addition, the sum of any number, and 0 that is that number, the same number. Okay, now listen carefully. I'm gonna explain all of that again. Talal, are you wearing scarf?
Yes.
So Tom, why'd you write on my screen? I'm gonna punish you.
Okay.
Okay. Look again. Firas, try to understand. Look, boys. The first property is called commutative property, and you can write it like COMM, commutative property. And that means 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. Rosen,
Yeah.
what do you wear?
Nothing.
4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 plus 5. Is it equal to 5 plus 10?
Yeah.
The same answer. Okay, also if I try to write two numbers like 20 plus 30, 20 plus 30 is equal to 30. Is equal to 30 plus 20. So just tell me the name of this property. It's commutative property. Again, commutative property. And the quiz, when I ask you about this property, you should tell me and say commutative. Just write COMM, like abbreviation for the word commutative. Okay. Okay. Is Taha here with us?
Yeah.
Taha? Taha, okay. So what is the name of this property?
Wait. Commutative property.
Commutative property. Look, the second property here is associative property. You can write ASSO.
Yeah. Oh my God, what's the first thing?
Associative property. Associative property. Look,
Just say
what I mean by that.
first.
What I mean by that. Look, listen.
As property.
1 plus 2 plus let me write 9.
6 million. 6 million.
What is 1 plus 2 plus 9?
I don't know. Oh, it is 13.
What do you
I mean
say?
12, I said.
12. So could you please try to answer them step by step? Now I put brackets.
3 plus 9 is 12.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you said 3 plus 9. And it's equal to 12. Now, what if I change the place of the bracket? Look, the bracket was on 1 and 2. I'm gonna leave 1 alone, and then I'm gonna choose 2 and 9 together. Is this the same answer?
No.
Check it. 1 plus 2 plus 9.
Oh yeah, it's the same. It's the same.
The same answer. So look
Yeah.
at the side.
That's without the one. Okay.
I'm gonna do it now here in the blue color. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12.
120.
No. Only 12.
Okay.
So they are the same answer. What is the name of this property, Taha?
As property.
Associative property.
Associated.
Associative property. Thank you, Taha.
Don't unmute. Don't mute.
Okay.
Duh.
Better? Better?
I ate a hamster. I ate a hamster for lunch.
Turkey? Abdullah?
Just messed up.
Okay. The third property here is called identity property. Identity property of addition. Brother, what is the number that if you add it to any number, the answer stays the same? Like if I said 100 plus what number is equal to 100?
600. I know.
Really?
I know.
No, I asked that.
Yeah, it's 600.
Wait a minute. Brother, 100 plus what number is gonna be 100? Brother, you hear me?
The answer is 100. The answer is 100.
Muhammad,
Yes.
what number plus 100 is gonna be 100?
200.
Again, listen carefully. 100 plus what number is equal to 100?
It's 100.
Really? Are you sure? Talal Ghamdi, 100 plus what number is gonna be 100?
I know, teacher, I know.
Yes, mister.
Answer this question. 100 plus
Okay.
what number is equal to 100?
1 or 0?
1 or 0? No.
No, 0.
0? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, Talal, please try to think slowly before telling me the answer. Suleiman, do you agree with Talal? He said 100 plus 0. Do you agree with Talal?
No, I don't.
He said
Because it's
100 plus 0 is equal to 100. Do you agree with him?
It's not. It's minus 1. Oh, wait.
Why?
I don't agree with him.
Talal Dawood, do you agree with
Yeah, no.
Talal?
Please don't.
Andy?
Yes, I agree with him.
Okay, Firas, do you agree with Talal Ghamdi? He said 100 plus
Yes.
equal to 100. Saad, what is your
No,
opinion?
I know. 100 plus 0 plus 1.
I agree.
You agree. So the answer
too.
right is 0.
People,
100 plus
no, it
0
isn't.
is
No, it's
100.
100 plus 0 plus 0.
the same answer. If you add
No,
0
it's-
like 100 times, stay 100.
It has more. You just added more numbers. You
Five-
added more numbers. Difference.
511 plus what number is gonna be 511? What number?
511 plus 0 plus 0.
Plus 0 plus 0. Just say 0 one time. Why do you repeat it?
It's because it has more numbers but difference.
So guys, this is called identity property of addition. So we can say 0
don't
is
like-
the neutral.
I don't like having shortcuts. I don't like having shortcuts.
Neutral. Okay. Now you understand.
No.
I understand very well.
Let's listen to this video about the same topic.
No.
Mister, why do you have to watch a video?
Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and today
She
we're
looks
going
like
to look at
she
more.
looks like that
But
vegan
this time we're
teacher.
going to look at properties of addition. You've probably never heard that word before, but we did it all the time in 2nd grade, so it shouldn't be that new. All right, so let's check this out. Let's say I want to add my age and my brother's age and my mom's age all together to figure out how old we are. All right, or how many years we've lived on this earth all together. Okay, so my age is 39 years old. Wait a minute. Did I just hear somebody say that Mrs. Compton's that old? Don't you dare. Hey, I was born in the 1900s. So was your teacher and so were your parents. Don't call us old. Okay. My brother, his name is Tommy. He is 42. He's older than me. By how many years? Okay, and then my mom's age is 61. All right, so we have all this information now, and I'm trying to figure out how many years altogether we've lived on this earth. All right, so I want you to think about, we're solving 39 plus 42 plus 61. All right, now I want you to hit pause and everybody stop and think, what strategy would you use to add these numbers?
So she's trying to find the total of her age and her brother's age and her mother's age. 39 plus 42 plus 61. 3 numbers together. So we need to find out the answer of those 3 numbers. Look.
All right, hit pause. All right. I guess we've probably hit unpause. You've probably been waiting for me to talk to you again. So I'm going to guess some strategies here today. And today I'm going to guess that some of you saw this 9 and saw this 1 and thought you could make a friendly number. So I'm going to guess that some of you may have moved the 61 over. So 39 plus 61 plus 42. And maybe you decided to add the 39 and the 61 first. So see how we changed that order there? All right, I bet a lot of you probably thought about that. I'm going to put a little symbol around those 2 numbers. So these are called parentheses. They're just grouping symbols. This means that.
Okay. Abdullah. Saad.
Yes.
This teacher, when she's trying to find the answer of those 3 numbers, 39 plus 42 plus 61, she preferred that if she changed the position of 61 and 42. Do you know why?
Why?
No. If you add 39 to 61, what is the answer? 39 plus 61, what is the answer? Mm-hmm. 39 plus 61. Is gonna be 100. Okay. 100. So if you get 100 in the question, if you get 10, 100, or 1000, that's will be better for your answer. 39 plus 61 is equal to 100. Okay. Is equal to 100. And then 100 plus 42 will be 142. Okay.
I'm going to chunk these together first. I actually don't really need them there. They're just helping my eyeballs. All right, so 39 plus 61. Maybe some of you said, I know 9 and 1 makes a 10, and 6 plus 3 makes 9, or 6 tens plus 3 ones. Those aren't ones. 6 tens plus 3 tens makes 9 tens, otherwise known as 90. So to think about that, it's kind of like this. You put that together to make a 10, and you put that together to make a 90, and 90 plus 10 is 100. So we've got a nice friendly number right here. So if you did that, this actually brought out a nice friendly number. And then all you have left to do is add that 42. So 100 plus 42 is 142, right? All right, so I want to bring your attention back to what we did.
Okay, so to understand this example carefully, let's do this one here. What if I write here 1 plus 5 plus 9? 1 plus 5 plus 9. Rosen?
Hello.
Rosen, we have here 1 plus 5 plus 9. Could you choose any 2 numbers from them to make 10?
Yeah.
Which two numbers?
9 and 1.
9 and 1. That's great. 1 and 9. But they are far from each other. Look. What should I do? I have to move 9 here instead of 5 and put 5 here. Okay, I'm gonna put 5 here and put 9 here.
9.
So I'm gonna change just the place of the two numbers. 1 plus 9 plus 5. Is there any problem if I do that?
Yeah.
Is there any problem
No.
if I change the place of 9 and 5? 5 plus 9 is
No.
actually the same of 9 plus 5. Now I'm gonna put bracket here on 1 and 9. Do you know why?
Because we need to add them first.
Because 1 plus 9 is equal to what? Is equal to 10. Now 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. You understand?
Yeah.
Firas,
Yeah.
would you please try to help me here? 2 plus 7 plus 8. Try to choose two numbers. Their sum is 10. Which two numbers from those?
10.
I need you to try to choose two numbers. Their sum is 10. Which two numbers? 2 plus 7?
8 and 2.
8 and 2. That's great. But look, 2 and 8, they are far from each other. So I'm going to write 2 again. Plus, this time I'm going to change 7 and 8. I'm going to put 8 first. Plus 7. Okay? Then put a bracket here. Put a bracket here on 2 and 8. Why for us?
Why?
You said 2 and 8 is equal to 10.
Yeah.
So put bracket on the two numbers which they are 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, right?
Yeah.
10 plus 7 is equal to 17.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Muhammad Mazen,
Yes.
look at this one. 3 plus 15 plus 7. Which two numbers, their sum is equal to 10? Sorry?
Again.
Which two numbers from those three numbers, their sum is 10? Choose two numbers. If you add them together, you will get 10.
Okay.
Which two numbers? You have 3, 15, and 7.
17 is 7.
7 with what number?
With 3.
With 3, that's great. But look here, 3 and 7, they are far from each other. There is a distance between them. I need to put 7 next to 3. So write 3 again, plus this time, write 7 first, plus 15. And then just put bracket here on those two numbers, 3 plus 7. Okay? Now 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 plus 15, this one. What is 10 plus 15?
10 plus 15.
Yeah, easy. Add 0 to 5.
When it's 25.
25, great. So look, when I change the position of the two numbers here, I have to write commutative.
Yeah.
Then when you add this bracket on the two numbers, you have to write associative, ASSO dot. You understand?
Yeah. Not really, but okay.
Great. Turkey? Turkey? Talal Makki,
Yes, teacher.
you understand?
Yeah.
So try to answer this one.
Okay. 6 plus 8
6 plus 8 plus 4.
plus
Which
4.
two numbers, if you add them together, the answer will be 10.
If I add all of these.
No, just choose two numbers. If you add them together, you will get 10. Which two numbers?
6 and 4.
6 and 4, but they are far from each other. So what should I do?
I choose 6 and 8.
Write 6 again, plus. Should I write 6 plus 8 or 6 plus 4? Write 4 first.
6 plus 4.
Yeah, 6 plus 4 first, and then put 8 in the end. Now we need to put bracket on 6 and 4, okay? If you add bracket to 6 and 4 to make them 10, What is 6 plus 4?
10.
Now add 10 to 8. What is 10 plus 8?
18.
Great. Suleiman?
Do I mute?
Yes.
Suleiman, what should I write here? I just change 8 and 4. I put 8 instead of 4 in the place of 4 and 4 in the place of 8. What is the name of this property? If you change two numbers.
Property.
Yeah, just change two numbers. 8 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 8.
Identity.
No, commutative. Commutative property. Okay? And then when you add bracket here, what is the name of this property?
What?
What is the name of the property if you add bracket?
Associative.
Associative property. You have any problem?
What?
Do you have any problem in this lesson?
Yeah.
What is your problem?
I didn't understand it.
Okay, look at this question in the book. Quickly. Again. Let's explain the meaning of commutative property. What is the meaning of commutative property? Look, Suleiman.
Okay.
Commutative property. That means 12 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 12. You understand this one?
Okay. Yeah.
And associative property, if we have three numbers, 5 plus 8 plus 14, now we have bracket on 8 and 14, you can see?
Yeah.
What if I change the place of the bracket to put it on 5 and 8? Is there any problem? No, there is no problem here. So the name of this property is associative property. The last one, if you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number.